In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your printer to the factory defaults. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 8130E series. Go to the printer control panel. Resetting will remove all the data and information and it goes to the factory defaults. Click on the menu. Scroll down. Go to the tools. Select maintenance. Restore settings. You have option like if you want to just reset particular things, or if you want to reset everything to the factory defaults, select this option. So once you do that, it will display the information like all the admin passwords for the printer will be removed, network will be disconnected, any other things which were used here will be removed. Web service account information and other things will be removed. So click on the restore. Your printer will restart. And once you see the initial screen of this printer, that means printer is restored to the factory defaults. Thanks for watching.